What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to solve you this trigonometric equation, which is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta equals to 1. So we know sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals to 1. So I'm going to write it like that. Based on the trig identities, I can say sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is going to be always equals to 1. And here I can cancel the cosine from both sides of this equation. And I can bring this over to here. So then we have 2 sine squared theta equals to 0, meaning that sine squared theta equals to 0, or we can say sine theta will be 0, because when you do the square root of both sides, that's going to be sine theta equals to 0. And what kind of answers we have when theta equals to 0, when theta equals to pi, and when theta equals to 2 pi. So sine 0 is 0, sine pi is 0, and sine 2 pi is 0. So we have 3 answers to this question. So these are the final answers. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related playlists in the description. If you need some extra help and extra practice question, you can take a look to description. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching and have a great day.